Alright guys, so I'm back with all the wick wires stuff, and as you can see I have your shifter cover, whatever you want to call it. You do need a new park, the indicator, because if you remember, I remember we showed you this, we were going through all your chrome, that, wrong one, that one side was broken off. That snapped right there. But cleaning it up, as you can see, a lot shinier using some of the all-purpose cleaner, and where did I have it somewhere? Some quadruple zero steel wool, which I don't know where I put it. At the end of the day, it is a 31 plus 26, so it's like a 57-year-old piece of metal here. So we have some fading with the paint around, and then there is one chip right there, but as you can see, it is cleaning up. And then you have all these like little nibs. Like I said, there's paint fading. And then obviously all my marks from wiping it, which aren't there forever, they'll go away. But I don't know if we can get I didn't spend too much time. I have like maybe 15 minutes in the cleaning this. I don't know if you can get a new one of these or not, or if we paint this and fix it up. So talk to Bobby about that one, but yeah. And then over here, I have all of your panels mostly cleaned. I don't know what's on this. It's on that one, and it's on this one at the bottom here, but it does not come off. I have absolutely no clue what's on it. But yeah. But as you can see, they're cleaner. I'm gonna pull this switch off, get it all cleaned up here. Same thing with all the chrome. Your door panel's like 1,000 times better. They were all dirty, kind of dusty from sitting up there. I'll probably pull down your center console there, clean that up, and the front part of your dashboard. And then over here, I have your dash pad, which is a little better. It's not really sticky anymore. I still have a little work to do on it. And then up here, give me a second.